KDP asks you to choose an ISBN before publishing a print book. The free option looks harmless, but this field locks after publication. A poor choice can leave you rebuilding the book as a new edition. Use KDP's free ISBN when this print edition will stay on KDP. You must also accept the publisher name independently published. Buy your own ISBN when the same print edition must go elsewhere, or show your own imprint. An ISBN identifies one edition in one format. It does not grant copyright. It does not decide who owns the writing. A normal Kindle ebook on KDP does not need an ISBN at all. Paperback and hardcover are separate products. Each needs a different ISBN. You cannot use one number for both covers, even when the words inside are identical. With the free path, KDP assigns the number during print setup. You do not register it yourself. For a first paperback sold only through Amazon, this is often the simplest option. Sam has made a 180-page family cookbook. He only wants a paperback on Amazon this year. He has no publishing brand. The free KDP ISBN solves the job he has today. That free number has two limits. It can only be used through KDP. The public imprint appears as independently published. Sam still owns his cookbook. He simply does not control that publisher label. An author-owned ISBN removes those two limits. Sam can register his own imprint. He can also use that number for the same paperback through another publishing service. He must get it from his country's official ISBN agency. There is no honest worldwide ISBN budget. Prices and free allocation rules vary by country and agency. Check your national agency first, especially if you need separate numbers for paperback and hardcover. Ask 3 questions. Will this exact print edition appear outside KDP? Do I need my own publisher name in the record? Can I keep the title, author, format, and imprint identical everywhere? A yes to either of the first 2 points toward your own ISBN. Make that choice before you publish. KDP says a published print ISBN cannot be changed in place. Replacing it means unpublishing the book and creating a new edition with a new product record. If you use your own ISBN, copy the title, author, format, and imprint exactly from the agency record. Capital letters, spaces, and punctuation matter. Recent agency changes can take up to 5 business days to reach KDP. Low-content books are a separate case. KDP does not give them a free ISBN. A notebook or planner can use your own number or publish without one, depending on the options KDP shows for that book. Return to Sam's cookbook. The Kindle version needs no ISBN. The paperback needs one. A future hardcover needs another. That is 2 print ISBNs, while Amazon gives the Kindle edition its own ASIN. Sam has 2 sensible plans. He can stay on KDP and use one free paperback ISBN. Or he can get separate numbers if paperback and hardcover will go to other services under his own imprint. Both plans are valid. Before clicking Publish, check 5 lines: format, title, author name, imprint, and distribution plan. Then ask whether another print format needs its own number. This 1-minute review is easier than rebuilding a live edition. Free fits a KDP-only print edition with KDP's publisher label. Your own ISBN fits wider print distribution or your own imprint. A normal Kindle ebook on KDP needs neither choice. Open your KDP draft and answer the 3 questions before assigning a number. Then watch Automate ED's full Amazon KDP walkthrough. It follows the next steps, from the file upload to the final checks before you publish.